Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I'm saying about the C Sharp and .NET programming lab experiment number 7 collections. And let's see the aim to write C Sharp programming to solve complex numbers using collections. Description: the .NET framework provides specialized classes called collections. Classes for data to storage and retrieval. Classes can be grouped into collections that store elements of type object and generic collection classes. These classes provide support for stacks, queues, lists, and hash tables. Most collection classes implement the same interfaces, and these interfaces may be inherited to create new collection classes that fit more specialized data storage needs. And in experiment 7, the first one, using system collections generic, using system link, using system text, using system threading tasks. Namespace infix to post class program internal static into character ch switch ch case plus case minus return 1 place star case divided return 2 case return 3 return minus 1 public static string infix to postfix string experiment string result is equals to stack char stack is equals to new stack char for int I is equals to 0, I less than experiment length plus I. Character C is equals to experiment. If character is length or digit, result plus is equals to C. Else if C is equals to stack push. Else if while stack count greater than 0, stack peak is equals to result plus stack pop. Stack dot count and stack dot peak. Return invalid expression. Stack pop while stack count grand break is equals to break stack peak. Result plus is equals to stack pop stack push, and while stack dot count result is equals to stack pop return result. Public static void main string args string experiment is equals to console write line infix to postfix console read line. And let's see the output: a plus b minus c, ab plus c minus. And let's see the second one. And using system collections class program static void main string args program is equals to new program console dot write line enter the postfix expression minus e dot v is equals to console dot read line e dot expression console dot write line postfix evaluation plus e dot answer console dot read public string v public string answer stack I is equals to new stack public void expression int a comma b comma answer for int I j is equals to 0, j less than b dot length j plus plus string c is equals to b dot substring j comma 1 if c equals star string s a is equals to string I pop string sb is equals to string I pop a is equals to convert dot to int 32 sb b is equals to convert dot to int 32 sa answer is equals to a star b I push a answer to string else if c equals string sa is equals to string I pop sb is equals to string I pop a is equals to convert to int 32 sb b is equals to convert to int 32 sa answer a divided by b I push answer to string else if c equals string sa is equals to string I pop string sb is equals to string I pop a is equals to convert dot to int 32 sb b is equals to convert dot to into 32 sa answer is equals to a plus b I push answer dot to string else if c equals string sa is equals to string I pop string sb is equals to string I pop a is equals to convert to int 32 sb b is equals to convert to into a 32 sa answer a minus b I push answer to string else I push with substring answer is equals to string I pop and enter the postfix expression 237 minus plus postfix evaluation minus 2 result. The above programs are implemented and output is verified successfully.